What's up, Learning Machine? So this is the 1 million USA leads. So you guys can get a huge email list from me. This is verified email list of 1 million email addresses you can promote to. You guys got to know the core of the internet is email marketing. It just is. The closest thing to making money is an email list. Leads and emails, that's the closest thing to getting sales because you can just market to them and get a ton of sales of different things. So this is a very broad demographic. This is male and female and different audiences inside the United States, in different states and everything spread out. So you could promote generic offers on any CPA network. You can promote offers on ClickBank. You can promote anything you want. If you want to be an affiliate for this, you could promote this, even to the list if you wanted to. But I mean, I market to these leads. I market to a lot of leads, guys. How I got these leads is I purchased a ton of leads from companies, businesses, and marketers of all sorts, okay, at scale. I've spent a lot of money, okay? I might go into specifics eventually. I don't know if I will, but for now, I don't want to explain. But it's a lot of money I've spent on a ton of email addresses. And it's not just me buying like a ton of emails. It's like I'm doing paid ads with YouTube ads at scale, collecting tons of email addresses, okay? So that's like really high quality traffic and leads. You guys can market to this. And the reason why I'm selling it is because I'm like, why not, give the audience I've built over time with the personal brand side of things, give you guys insane value. Because this is not like a course, which a course can be extremely high value to build skills and knowledge. But this is really, really good for, being able to promote to and make money. It's an asset, okay? This is an asset you have now. It's also separate from all the other products too. They do not overlap. So this is sold separately. This is 1 million USA leads, verified and everything. Okay, this is like money for you. This is a pretty good image for it, I think. It looks good. Okay, but that doesn't matter. This is what matters, is right here. Okay, this is everything for you. You get the CSV file and you can import it to whatever email autoresponder you choose. You guys can promote to your million email list. An offer that, let's say it's $100 offer. Boom, you just broke even. And that's 1 million people. And you could promote every single day to a list like this. With a list like this, I have no guarantees for you because I don't know what email autoresponder you're going to choose. I don't know how you're going to write your emails. I don't know if you're fluent in English, for example, but I'm sure you are if you're watching this. But anyway, no results guaranteed. But with a $1 million email list, like the kind of money you could be making is hundreds per day, okay? If not a few $1,000 per day. Like that's very realistic, and you're only paying $100 for this many emails. This is an asset you can promote to for a long time, like a long, long time. This is powerful stuff, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you understand like the value here now, and I'll see you on the other side. Peace.